Sylvia Colby. Hi. Good morning, Sylvia. Please get close to the microphone, okay? Sylvia, who's with you? Who is this? That's my daughter. Yeah? What's her name? Justina. Justina. Hi, Justina. Hi, how old are you? Say I'm 3. 3? 3. Crowd laughing. All right, Justina. We're going to show you a movie. Watch the movie, okay? Laughing. Okay, Miss Justina. Laughing. That's mommy. We'll even give you some popcorn and some candy to watch the movie. Okay? Popcorn. Okay. And popcorn. All right. Your mom is charged with going through a red light on Westminster Street and Barton Street. And we're going to see if she did it. So look up there. Look up there. Okay. The light is red. Oh boy. That's me. Okay. Justina, come up here. Come on. You stay there. No. You stay there. Okay. Inspector Kerrigan's going to bring her up here. Come here, Justina. Come here. Do you mind if I pick her up? Oh, no problem. Come on. Crowd laughing. Hold that. Bang it. Gavel banging. Okay, Justina. I'm going to ask you a question, okay? You answer me. Is your mommy not guilty or guilty? Guilty. Guilty. Crowd laughing, clapping. Okay, Justina, bang that. Crowd laughing. Bang it again and say guilty. Guilty. Guilty again. Guilty. Oh, she's a very smart girl. Crowd laughing. I think someday she's going to be a judge. Sylvia. Yeah? How many kids do you have? I have 2 and 1 coming. 3. You do? Home. How many months pregnant are you? 6. Boy or girl? I don't know. I don't want to find out because I have 2 girls already. Laughs. Now if you have a boy, you're rooting for a boy, right? I want a boy. I hope you have a boy too. Now, I know it's tough to pick a good boy's name, but you might want to consider the name Francesco. Oh, okay. It's a great name. Everybody wants it. Only certain people can have it. All right, I'll remember that. But anyway, your daughter banged the gavel and said guilty. And that's official. She's very honest. But I'm going to overrule her. I think we're going to dismiss the case. Well, thank you. Laughing. Maybe you can spend the money on the new baby and on Justina. Laughing. Bang it again. Gavel banging. Say guilty. Guilty. Laughing. Guilty. Guilty a third time. Guilty. Laughing. Guitar strumming. Air whoosh. Your motor vehicle has been booted. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red light violations. You were before the court 3 months ago, and your vehicle was booted then. Yeah, you were given an extraordinary break. The boot was released for a payment of $40. That's almost unheard of. And you had a remaining balance of $460 you were supposed to pay off at $75 bi-weekly. And I gave you that break. After you paid $40, the city paid $100 to have the boot removed. The city paid $100. And whatever you told me must have been a pretty good story, because I released that boot for $40. You had a $460 balance, and you were supposed to pay. You didn't pay a single penny since then. You didn't call. You didn't do anything. And I get upset when people take advantage of my leniency. And you're a classic example of someone with zero responsibility. I do have responsibility. I'm not happy about it. What happened was my grandma passed. I beg your pardon? Don't give me another sad story. It's not going to work. My grandmother passed away when that happened. I didn't know she was going to pass away. I had to travel to Texas, pick up my little brother. I'm only 22. I take care of my brother now. I just got my first apartment. Just give me a second. Sigh, murmurs. Get back over here. Use the other mic. We'll start again. Why didn't you call the court? Because I just had a lot going on. Sigh, exhausted. I work full-time. I work almost every day. I only have 1 day off. You what? I work mostly every day. I only have 1 day off. I don't have time. You don't have time to call the court? That's just not what was on my mind. I had other things to worry about. So the fact that you were given an extraordinary break, that's not your concern? So you thought, I'll just ignore it? I wasn't going to ignore it. I knew I had to face it. So I'm here to face it. I'm facing it. Listen, number 1, you've had some problems. I am sympathetic, but I'm not sympathetic to the attitude, right? You have no respect for the court. You're being incredibly disrespectful. Anyone else with the same story, with a good attitude, I consider it. I gave you a big break last time, but accept my sympathy for your grandmother's passing. But you're not getting a break today. I'm reinstating the previous judgment. You owe $60 on the boot fee you never paid. So you'll pay that plus $100 today. $160 to clear the boot. Balance is $460, $75 bi-weekly. If you don't pay, the boot goes back on. See the court. Judge, the last one wasn't booted. Huh? It was booted before, but not today. She came in voluntarily to square this up. Oh, she came in voluntarily? Yeah. Inspector Quinn. Yes, Judge. Have her wait. Have her wait. Guitar strumming, crowd murmuring. Have you calmed down? Hum. I was waiting for you to escape. I wanted to butt. Laughing. All right. I was mistakenly told there was a new boot on your car, which upset me, because I figured you just had total disregard and weren't coming back. But now I know you came back voluntarily. So you're here voluntarily, which means you came back with a lot of money, right? No. I just came back to. I have to pay. I don't know. All right. Why did you come in today? Because everything is falling back into place, so I'm ready to start paying. I want to get on a payment plan. You came in because you want to get on a payment plan? Yes. And everything's calming down? Yeah. And you don't want your car to get booted again? Yeah. So you're here to say, Judge, I may look like I have a bad attitude, but I actually don't. Yeah. Matter of fact, you have a good attitude, right? Yeah. Right now you do. Laughing. She's even smiling. Yes. Tell me about your grandmother. My grandma raised me until I was 12. Then she moved to Texas. She raised my little brother too. She was sick, but didn't tell me. I moved in with her for 2 months, but didn't stay. Then she passed away in January. I had to go to Texas, bring my brother back, pay for his ticket. Now I'm raising him. I'm 22. I have a daughter. My brother's 16. I just got my first apartment. That's why I came today. Everything's getting back on track. I don't want my car to get booted. I want to fix this. How old is your brother? 16. Who do you live with? I live by myself now. Are you working? Full-time. I'm a CNA at the PACE organization. Exhales. I was pretty tough on you, you know? I think I misread you. I really do. I should probably apologize for yelling at you. I don't usually do that unless something triggers it. I thought you got booted again. I thought you ignored everything. But you didn't. So we're going to see what we can do to help you. Okay? What kind of payment plan do you want? The same one, the $75 every 2 weeks. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm reinstating the $460 balance, but I'm ordering you to pay $25 every 2 weeks. If you do that for 16 weeks, 8 payments, I'll dismiss the rest. Okay, I'm not putting a heavy burden on you. Show some responsibility. Last time it was $935, and I cut it down to $460. I'm knocking it down again, but you have to show you can stay on track. So, $25 every 2 weeks. Okay, after 8 payments, come see me. Yes. Laughs. Bring your brother. I will. Laughing.